Want a unique touch for your car? Today, I'm crafting this personalized initial charm, and the process is pure therapy. Let's get started. First, let's look at our materials. Epoxy resin, a bracelet mold, small and large initial molds, crushed seashells, tiny starfish tweezers, transparent turquoise pigment, plastic cups, and a stirring stick. We start by mixing our resin at a precise 1:2 ratio until it's crystal clear. Next, we carefully place our seashells into the mold using tweezers. Now let's create the ocean effect. I separate a small amount of clear resin into a different cup and mix our turquoise pigment into the rest. To make the waves, I take just a tiny bit of that clear resin, move it to another cup, and mix in the white pigment. First, we pour the clear resin over the seashells, and then we fill the rest with the beautiful turquoise blend. If any resin overflows, we just clean it up with our stick. Now for the magic. We add the white resin for the waves and gently spread it out using a toothpick. Pro tip: using a dropper to fill the small initial mold makes it so much easier. And this anti-bubble spray is absolutely amazing for a flawless finish. Now, we fill our large initial mold. Fast forward to the next day. Here is the most satisfying moment: demolding. Look at those ocean vibes. Time to assemble everything. I use a mini hand drill to open the holes one by one and screw in the eye pins. To secure the top piece, a little bit of super glue does the trick. Let's add some extra charm, shall we? I'm attaching these cute little beach dangles to finish it off. I hope this inspired you to create something unique too. If you'd like to see more processes like this, your support with a like and subscribe means the world to me. Tell me your thoughts below. Until next time.